how to use two accounts on Snapchat. So it is definitely possible to use two accounts on Snapchat, but it is a little bit of a different process. So for this, you have to simply open up the Snapchat app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see here. Then from here, what you have to do is just simply tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen. Then once you're here on this page, you have to just tap on the gear icon or the settings icon located from the top right hand side again. If you look over here, you can see we don't have any option that will allow us to switch account or add another account. So in order to add another account, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen to use two accounts and then log out of your current account. Don't worry, you don't need to enter your password next time you log in, because you can simply save your password here. So you can see one of my account is added. So if I want to add another account, now to use two accounts, which means go to switch account, enter the new account login details that you want to use and log in, and next time whenever you want to switch between the accounts, you can come back to this page and log into your respective accounts. So this way you will be able to use two accounts on Snapchat. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.